Pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah, like a whole little Caesars box on Friday. Egg. Yeah. Fresh.
Yeah, we gonna buy it or what?
Did
No.
you buy the Cadillac?
He scammed.
How much is he off? 8?
He told you 8?
How much did he tell you?
85?
Yeah.
He just slowed.
Taxi. The channel. Alpha. Yeah, buy this G35.
Huh? That's what he has it on you on Facebook. Sure. Alright, bro. In person, they're cooked.
Actually, they're like.
They're hella peeled, bro. Yeah, I don't fuck with the premiums. Alright, man.
You don't fuck with the Yammer, so. Can't fuck anything.
Alright, bro. His G. I prefer sedans though. That's why I want to keep thinking.
You want to say what, so?
A house.
And that's where they think then the Q60.
Then the Q60.
Q60.
What? Do you pay rent?
Your girl pays rent? Is she a junior? I lived here one day ago, that's why.
Cook.
This shit gotta be solid.
Some gotta be wrong with him.
100K miles.
Radnak.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Are you going to Pearl? Eric.
Yeah.
Are you going to? We're all going there?
Yeah.
I bet.
You did. In your house?
You had it?
Can't say no. Average titles that I'm actually about to buy a car with the same title name.
Just do it. Just don't crash and you're chilling.
I bet. Bro,
Oh.
taking a Hellcat, man.
Mama's up?
I'm dead ass.
Mama.
I'm taking like 150K in a cold hard handshake.
You were on yesterday.
Yeah, buy Super. Yeah.
Alright, bet. Max
So?
credit.
Max is not 900, bro.
It is.
Max is 850, bro.
9,500 right here. Damn, that shit ass nigga.
Get this other Mustang.
11 grand.
Salvage Shadow, 20,000 miles. Alright, bet. I'm not going viral, bro.